Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Etoro account on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to log into your Etoro account using your Etoro application, then first make sure that you've downloaded the app on your mobile device. Once you have it, tap it on. The first interface of Etoro will look like this. To log into an existing account, tap on the sign in button at the bottom of the screen, and you can now use your email address or your username followed by your password to log into your account, or you can also use one of the social networking sites available at the bottom. In my case, I'm going to use my email and password. Go to the first text box and type in your email address or your username that you created while signing up for Etoro. Once you do that, head over to the password field and type in your password. Make sure to type in your password correct, and once you do that, tap on the sign in button. In case you don't remember your password, you can tap on the forgot password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. Once you type in your password correct, tap the sign in button and you'll be able to log into your Etoro account right away when your credentials are correct. That is how you can easily log into your Etoro app using a mobile device, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.